All right. Um. All right. Let me just put this real quick right here. There we go. All right. This is looking pretty well, pretty good so far. Um. Yeah, I'm just gonna share my shit here. 1 second. Um. I am. I'm gonna do like a few things. First thing starting. I'm gonna do the second stage of refactoring my client. Let me just quickly share my live here. All right. So today I'm basically gonna be refactoring the second stage of Saturn client, and I want to first mention all the progress I've done. For any people who haven't followed up with the GitHub stuff, uh, basically I'm just gonna pull some changes. I think I did make a lot of changes on my Mac as well, so I need to pull them. Yeah. All right. Um, let's see if this even works. So with the first stage, in total, what I've done is just like refactored um the UI, the modules, but I've removed a lot of stuff. And the second stage is gonna be adding the essentials of, what we want. Like within the UI, we need to add the, UI components. Oh shit. Oh, what's this? Um, okay. I might have some issues here with my encoder. Probably need to update the drivers. But okay, it's working fine right now. I'm not sure how long it will last. But that being said, I am um
Loading
I am
Minecraft.
planning on making like a
Title
few
screen. Title
more
screen.
stuff.
Shift
With
menu.
Saturn
Use
options
mouse
here, I
cursor or
added
tab
a
button to select
custom
element.
button widget that renders everything like on its own.
Title
It's
screen.
not like an image
Title
like
screen.
this old one
Use
right
mouse
here.
cursor or tab button to
And you
select
can
element.
customize.
Shift
You
menu.
can literally just
Use mouse
customize the
cursor
theme
or
and
tab
everything
button
here,
to
like the
select
border
element.
width, or sorry, border size, whatever it's called.
Title.
As you can see here, we added theming, which I really appreciate. Like, if we like, this is gonna be the Linux of clients, bro. I swear. So we have a background color, foreground. Obviously this is like the state. Um, border color, border. Yeah. Let's do corner radius 0 just for now, just to like show you guys what I mean. But you can also make this like as high as you want. You can literally like just increase this. I hope I pushed a few changes on my Mac as well. I don't know if I pushed on my Mac, but
Loading Minecraft. Title screen.
currently like
Title
on the
screen.
repo,
Shift
like the
menu.
latest change
Use
here.
mouse cursor or tab button to
Okay,
select
that's
element.
weird. Oh yeah, that's because when I
Titles.
hover. Okay, that's fine. That's fine. Actually, no, that's not fine. Um, yeah. I might not have pushed every change on my Mac. Let me see real quick. But that being said, I'm gonna do the refactoring.
Loading Minecraft.
Which is gonna,
Title screen.
like, the
Title
second
screen.
stage of
Use
refactoring
mouse
is,
cursor
it's
or
not gonna
tab
be
button
that
to select
bad.
element.
Okay, yeah,
Shift
that's
menu.
fine. Okay, it
Use
works.
mouse cursor or tab button to select element.
So yeah,
Title
um
screen.
if we
Title
hop on
screen.
a single player world here,
Resources. 0%. Done.
We'll see.
Ready to play.
Yeah, okay. Right shift, as you
Menu.
can see, you
Mods.
click onto
Use
settings
mouse
here.
cursor or
If you
tab
click
button
on
to
that, you
select
get,
element.
this is still
Mods.
the
Use
outdated
mouse cursor or
menu.
tab button to select
So we
element.
still gotta work on that. You
Shift
know,
menu.
there's a lot of
Mods.
components here
Use
that
mouse
are very
cursor or tab button to select
outdated
element.
that we need to refactor to fit the new component structure, the widget structure, whatever you call it. So yeah, but
Config editor.
I
Use
still do
mouse
like
cursor or
this
tab
old,
button to
like
select
this
element.
UI here. It's not
Mods.
necessarily
Use
old.
mouse
It's still
cursor or
pretty
tab button to
like it's
select
modern,
element.
but it's not
Config
customizable.
editor. Use mouse
So
cursor or
yeah,
tab button to select
we're gonna
element.
work on that as well. But that being said, I think we should now
Mods. Use
head
mouse cursor
to
or tab button to select element.
rendering
Shift menu.
image, like
Use mouse
rendering
cursor
images
or
and
tab
shit.
button to select
Right now this
element.
is still pretty
Shift
nice,
menu.
I would say,
Use
but
mouse cursor or
not
tab button to
necessarily,
select element.
that well
Shift
put.
menu. Use mouse cursor or tab button
Also,
to select
for the
element.
rounded corners, the button, like the rectangle stuff, is different from the border. They have like different algorithms, so they might, like, if I
Frame
really
menu.
zoom in
Use
here,
mouse
if
cursor
I
or
really
tab
zoom
button to
in,
select
you can,
element.
like,
Shift
when it's like
menu.
rounded,
Use
you would
mouse cursor or
probably
tab
see
button to
some
select element.
pixels that are different because like it's a completely different algorithm. So yeah, there's that, but yeah, other
Frame
than
menu.
that, like, I
Titles.
still think we got this, maybe. All right, let's start developing this thing. So if we go to org, Saturn, whatever, I don't know why Java does that, by the way. Modules, we only have the crosshair mod here. We don't have anything else. I removed the other stuff. We have all that doesn't need anything. Menus, yeah, we will remove that. UI2, which is the refactored version, has like the refactored version has like its own here. So yeah, shift menu. We only have the settings button right now, so let's see. Let's check it out. It's pretty simple. I'm gonna copy some stuff here from this to the text widget. All right. Yeah, let's. Okay, so how do we do this? Foreground color. All right, we need to remove the hovering state. We don't need that, I think. All right, text. Boom. All right, so foreground color, FG color here in this case. I guess we can just make color, but it would be nice to just like make a standard. So FG color and then FG color dot value here. All right, so by default it's white. That's cool. I should use the Vesper theme, bro. What am I doing with this theme? I don't have it. Yeah, bro, that like I don't know why I wasn't using this. All right. Now let's get back to coding. So yeah, it should work. It should also add the theme in our theme file. The theme Saturn theme JSON, whatever it's called. And all right, we don't have any state management to work with because it's just static text here. It's not anything extra. I think we should add a few other widgets or elements called. I'm gonna make the image one. Image Java. Wait, no, that. Okay, what about image display? Image display, or like, I don't know, like an image. Oh wait, image texture. What about that? Yeah, okay, that looks good. Java. We need to extend. I think it's extend. It's not implement. Yeah, it extends element. All right. All right, this is looking good. So let's add the options here. I guess not really, because like, yeah, it's not really gonna be like that necessary. It's not necessary at all. However, for the draw texture, what is it? Where is that? I think I have it. Yeah, there's like some vertex manipulation thing here. I copied this from the draw context. Um, all right, so yeah, there's a lot of draw texture functions here abstracted next to each other. They have, like this abstracts this, blah blah blah. All right. I am noticing a pattern though. You see this? This we can make the code cleaner if we remove all these render layers things. Um, and we put this like in a single field, because every one of these functions will need a render layer, and it's just unnecessary if we add that, you know? If we make that for every function, it's very bad practice. So I guess our first start is gonna actually, should we? I mean, if we do this right now, a benefit we would get is the fact that we would not need to change anything that abstracts this. So yeah, I guess we do it. So public, maybe, yeah, public. Actually, no, private. Um, render layer, yeah, render layer, boom, and let's make a function here. Public void uh set render layer render layer this dot render layer is equal to render layer. All right, this looks good, but um render layer here. Wait, what is this? Why is it like this? That's interesting. Wait, no, this is, do I have to do like, I'm confused. Um this is weird. So wait, basically, bro, what? I legit don't know what to do here. Do I just do render layers then, whatever that function was? Do I just do this? Okay, well, if I do, wait, hold on. Yeah, I don't see any other references of this. All right, I guess we do it. Um, yeah, okay, that looks good. A render layer, render layers. It's just so weird. I don't know, bro. Like, all right. Okay, that's good. Where is this shit? Okay. Yeah, it's not being used. So now we just like, bam. Watch this. Bam, 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 bam. All right. Yeah. Okay. Wait. What? Oh. Oh yeah. Okay. Now watch this. Boom, 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 boom. All right, just like that. Naruto cursor. All right. Yeah. We're doing good. We're doing good. We got no bugs, no errors, I think. We might have a few with, no, not all. We're not even using the image texture. All right. Well, now we just draw here. Render scope dot matrices. Actually, no. Why? draw texture. Oh yeah, let's not forget set render layer. Render layer, get GUI texture. Actually, no, get GUI. Let's try get GUI first, and then we'll try texture. Is not texture. Oh yeah. Huh. Okay, that makes sense. You're not a Sigma, bro. What did I do to deserve this? What did I do, bro? Sprite, no. Okay, so the sprite is gonna be what should the sprite be? Let's do textures here. Dot logo? Yeah, I think it's logo. Yeah, it's logo. All right, let's render the logo and then we'll draw this. I don't know honestly, but I'm it's pretty chill. It's probably like Fefic or something. I don't know. Um, bro, why is it? Okay, okay. So we have render layer, draw texture. This should work, right? It should. No, 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 no. Let's not. Wait, these are the U and V, right? Yeah, these are the UV maps. All right, X, Y, 0, 0. All right, so with I think we have the translation. Okay, I think translation is built in, so we don't have to specify X and Y. All right, Saturn UI. No, is it here? No, it's not. What am I trying to do, bro? Screens. No, it's in UI 2. Screens. Shift menu. All right, we draw um image, new image texture. Oh shit, I forgot. Hold on. What's it called? Identifier? Yeah. Sprite. Um Public image texture. And then we just like identifier sprite here. This dot sprite equals sprite. Nice. Yeah, we just have that now. We just replace this with sprite. Oops, sprite. And all right, here we do this now. Yeah, this should work. All right, now, all right, oh wait, no, we haven't even, oh, well, that's nice. I knew so. Okay, okay. So, get crosshair. Yeah, let's do scope here. Dot draw texture. No, it's set render layer. Yeah, there we go. Nice. Yes, sir. That's a W in my opinion, bro. That's a W. Do we just like okay, well, after this we would have to do like scope dot set render layer to like null, right? I guess we can do that like on the functions themselves. I don't think. Yeah, we'll just do that, I guess. Hey, W's, bro. We got W's here. Oh, all right. You gotta go then. All right. See ya. See ya.
Loading
That's fine.
Minecraft. Title screen.
All right.
Title screen.
There
Shift
we go.
menu. Shift menu.
Oh,
Use mouse
why is it
cursor
not
or
displaying,
tablet key
bro?
to select
Why is it not
element.
displaying? Oh, yeah, that's right, bro. I haven't even set the dimensions yet. All right. So do we center offset here? I think we just render this first. Dimensions. Width, I'm gonna do 250. 250. Maybe that's too much. So probably like 40. I think yeah, 40 was the what I used before. 40 40 dimensions. Oh, these are voids, bro. Elements return this. Um yeah, so we return this here as well, just like so. Yeah, center offset. All right. Nice. All right. This should work.
Title
Let's
screen.
quit.
Title screen.
Also, let's check out the theme if the text theming worked. It didn't. Okay, interesting. I opened the UI, so yeah. Okay, no, that's weird. That's weird.
Loading Minecraft.
Oh, that's very
Title
weird.
screen.
What?
Title screen. Title screen.
Okay, okay,
Shift
well, at
menu.
least we got the
Use
image
mouse
working.
cursor or tab button to
Now, my
select
question
element.
is, what's the problem? Where is the problem, bro? Alright, so dimensions. Alright, so button hovering and then button. I guess it's not being used. I guess, maybe. Text, let's check it out again. Bro, nah, that's weird. What? Does that have to be used? I guess, oh yeah, yeah, it has to be used. Alright, I see what's going on here. So basically, it's not loading the class. Like, the class loading is the problem. Because if it doesn't load the class, it won't load these static variables, meaning it will now run this function that registers the text theme. So the reason why button is working is because it's referenced right here. And if I don't reference the button right here, it wouldn't be referenced in the theme as well because it has no reason to. I guess yeah. Yeah, that's the reason, but like at the same time, that's not a good thing either because um it will save the changes. So I like save here. Let's go into theme manager. Is there a theme manager here? There is, but like it's somewhere over here, bro. I swear to God it's here. No, what? Okay, UI 2 elements, image texture. All right. No, where am I going? All right. UI 2. It's not there. It's in Saturn here. Yeah, there it is. All right. How is it only referenced once? Yeah, only once. All right. Good. We can just remove this and not worry about it anymore. So now it will basically this will remain like it is right it wouldn't like save anything basically. Which in our case is a good thing because we don't have to worry about like like because like when the shit doesn't load, it doesn't save the settings, which is not good, you know? So yeah, now we have a thing here. Let's center offset. We will center offset here. Width, height. No, what? Oh yeah, width, height. All right, so offset X. We don't have an offset for X. We do have an offset for Y, which is gonna be 60. All right, this should hopefully work. While it does its thing, I'm gonna really quickly. Also, I didn't add animations yet to this. But like because
Loading
it's so
Minecraft.
modular now,
Title screen. Title
it
screen.
like we can
Shift
easily
menu.
add that.
Shift
Oh
menu.
shit, I forgot. All right, the reason why it's a little higher than, you know, or more like, is because like we're gonna add like a
Loading
text
Minecraft.
beneath it, like
Title
like
screen.
it's literally right here,
Title
just
screen.
like this.
Use mouse
We can
cursor or
only
tab
have
button
the
to
logo,
select
which
element.
is fine
Title
on its own.
screen.
Like,
Shift menu. Use mouse cursor or tab button to select element.
hold on. All right, so um, interesting. So I guess
Title screen.
we just render this now. Like, hold on. How? Okay, so width and height. What should the height be? Let me go to. Is it in menu? Saturn? No, title screen. It's title screen. All right. Logo text is gonna be 8. So, wait. I'm so confused. What is the size here? Logo size 49. 49 by 8. All right, so 49. And then height here. Hold on, 49 as well here. 8. Okay, that should work now. Wait, no, 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 no. Logo text, just like so. All right, so image texture, logo text, center offset -60, -10, I guess. I don't know. Let's see here. YBY plus equals 44. So 49. So in this case, it would be 60. So 60 minus 3. Hold on. Where's the calculator, bro? All right, so calc 9. Oh, there we go. All right, so I guess 49. Actually, we don't even need to calculate. Why is gnome calculator so fucking laggy, bro? Is this now dead? Hold on. Um, how do you? I forgot how to search, bro. I legit. Okay. Yo, what is going on, bro? Do I do this? Would it work? No, it doesn't. All right. Find task by name. Maybe htop. I don't even have it installed, bro. I think it's PS something, bro. No, not there, bro. Linux. Linux. Um, calc. All right, so where is the ID, bro? Oh, there it is. Sudo pkill. All right. It's still there though. Ooh, okay. I think I can. What if I move? Oh yeah, I can literally just. Okay, well, yeah. All right. Um, yeah. Now this is fixed now. I just moved it to another place. All right, fair enough. Now okay. Well, so let's think about this. So -10, or so 18. Okay, so this would mean it's gonna be pretty spaced out actually. Oh shit. I forgot. I was streaming, bro.
Loading Minecraft. Title screen. Title screen.
All right.
Use mouse cursor or tab
You
button
know
to
what?
select
That's
element.
not bad. We can
Shift
fix
menu.
that. So like, I guess lower this maybe to -50. All right. So like, this is good. Not gonna lie. This is
Loading
pretty good,
Minecraft. Title screen. Title screen.
right?
Shift menu. Title screen.
Yeah,
Shift
bro, it
menu.
literally
Shift
matches.
menu.
Okay, well,
Shift menu.
this one is
Use
not
mouse cursor or tab button to
that well
select
put.
element. Shift
So
menu.
like we put
Use
this
mouse
like, if
cursor
we
or
put
tab
this
button to
like
select element.
over here. Okay,
Title.
well, we need to lower this one like 40 maybe, 45. And this to like 20. I don't know, bro. I low-key don't know. I'm just guessing. It's weird. Why does that, why is it like that though? Because like, is there like a
Loading
scaling issue?
Minecraft.
Because like, I don't understand the math
Title
behind
screen.
this.
Title screen. Shift menu.
Okay,
Shift
well, yeah,
menu.
that's
Shift
fine, I
menu.
guess, for now. Let me
Title
go in
screen.
the world so I can
Repair
actually see
resources.
what's going on.
0%. Done. Ready to play. Shift
Okay, yeah, that's
menu.
good.
Use mouse
Maybe
cursor or
like put
tab button
this
to
one a
select
bit higher,
element.
so like minus
Game menu. Save
like
world.
23
Title
maybe.
screen.
All right, that's good. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and like Saturn client set screen. No, it's gonna be an image. All right, so an image texture here. We draw texture. Um, so okay, from what I'm looking at, um, only like these two functions. Actually, no. Overall, we can literally just do this here. We can just do what do we do here? Dot push, and then matrices dot pop, matrices dot scale. Let's do 0.5 maybe. That would be half. So maybe like 0.255, which is quarter. But we scale this like this, and then we do, so like 1.25 is like times 4 is like 1, so sorry, 0.25. So like, how do we just do this like, bro, I legit don't understand here. I guess we can do like x1 times equals 4 x2. Oh shit. Yeah. All right, x3. No, there isn't an x3. Okay. Oh, I'm sorry. My mind just turned off. Um, y1 times equals 4. Y2 times equals 4. I think that's it. UV mapping, maybe we need that as well, but I- I'm I don't think we would need any UV maps. Y- of okay, there we go. Yeah, okay, this is good. Let's run this now. And this should like render a high res texture, which I think we already have, but like this will be better
Loading Minecraft.
because like embedded
Title
directly.
screen. Title screen. Shift
Yeah,
menu.
okay.
Use mouse
I
cursor
am
or
I
tab
am
button to
seeing
select
like,
element.
well, there's still like pixelation, but I think that's more because like
Title
we're
screen.
rendering a
Title
texture on top
screen.
of another
Use
one.
mouse cursor or tab button to select element. Shift menu.
Other than
Title.
that, that looks pretty good. Probably like scale it a bit more, maybe, but this looks good. I'm not really gonna mess too much. Um, I think that's it. So we have render layer here, which is, I don't know. Yeah, it's that. Um, oh yeah, maybe. Okay, okay. A good thing, by the way. Let's go to UI2 here. Saturn screen. Let's do, after rendering this one element, we're gonna do render scope dot set render layer null here. This would be good because like right now it's gonna help us for later stuff. All right, this is good. Um, we added a new element now. I guess now we just add like a clickable texture dot java extends element. All right, so now we do element. No, it's, what am I trying to do? Clickable texture. All right, so clickable texture. Here we do this here. All right, so now the render function is gonna be pretty simple as well. Nothing too crazy. We just set render layer here to get GUI textured or whatever. We draw texture here, but now the only difference is gonna be a click. Yo, should we add this onto the image texture itself? I don't know, honestly. I mean, no, no, probably not, probably not. Let's, yeah, so now we basically need to do some coloring, I guess. Image texture, now it's text. Yeah, let's copy from text actually. I guess yeah, FG color, because it's not specifically text color, you know. All right, so clickable texture. All right, so FG color here, we are gonna do. Oh, why? What? Wait, width height, width height. Oh yeah, okay. Well, there we go. Value. Nice. FG color. All right, this is good. Now, we need to copy one specific thing here from the button. Let me set hovering here. Button. Oh yeah, there it is. Um, all right. Wait, do we add this? No, no, we need to add this first. If ctx dot is hovering, so this is like in render here. All right, render context, by the way, is gonna like help us do more shit, I guess. All right, so yeah, we are checking for hover shit and stuff like that. So this is good right now. We just okay, like if we run this, I don't have a like I don't have a use for that right now. I guess we can add one. I think what we can do is just like add another one. Let me copy this real quick. Um, texture, texture button. And the only thing here. Okay, why did it do that? Okay, there we go. All right. Identifier sprite. Why? Okay, there we go. We just do this, I guess. All right, that's good. Now we just need to do a on hover, I guess, or a on click. Yeah, so on click here. Uh, we do super dot click. Okay, that's cool. We need to. What do we do now? Element? Maybe not element. Like, hold on. No, 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 no. Okay, I see. Okay, so int sprite tech or text width and is equal to 10, for example. Int text height. No, wait. What? Um, yo, I have another idea. What if we do, okay, so we're gonna do like automatic padding. Basically, what I mean by this is width height, whatever this is here. We'll do width minus a 4 maybe. I don't know, bro. Minus 4, minus 4, minus 4 on all sides. And we're gonna copy from the button here. Draw rounded rectangle. We're also gonna do border. Don't worry about that for now. Wait, where do we set this? Okay, right here, and then okay, we're adding quite a lot of stuff here. So border color, border, corner radius. I don't think we need a bold. Okay, BG color, background, you know. All right, that's good. We just run this now, right? Please work. Actually, no, it won't work. We need. Okay, I'm gonna add like a. I don't know, bro. Low key don't know. Hold on. Let me draw a new texture button here. Um, what is this? Okay, I'm not using that, whatever that is. I guess, okay, what can we do here? Textures. Um, cosmetics, maybe? Yeah, let's try that. So dot cosmetics here. Dot dimensions. We'll do 12 by 12. And then dot center offset. All right, so width height here, and then our offset is gonna be, what is our gonna be our offset actually? Hold on. Let's hold on. Um Element button here. And then basically we draw a button here, but we're gonna use button dot x here. Or actually no. How is that gonna work? We cannot even get the width, bro. What is this? All right. Yeah, we'll just get these, I guess. Maybe not X and Y, but width here and just 0 here. Wait, what's the height of this? Okay, fonts get width. Hold on. I think we might be onto something here. All right, so button here and width height. All right. So height here, we're gonna do button dot height, just like so. All right, this should work, right? I guess we'll see, but I'm pretty sure this will work. What happened to my accent, bro?
Loading Minecraft. Title
All right.
screen. Title screen. Shift menu.
Uh,
Use mouse
that's
cursor or
okay.
tab
That's
button to
not
select
centered,
element.
but it works. It works, and we even got hovering, bro. We even got hovering. Nice. Obviously clicking will work. There's nothing changed with that, but rendering works. Also it's a little too offset. Maybe we'll do like divided by 2 plus 4. And then like, yeah, that's good, but like, let's do the centering in here. So, okay, so draw texture X here, we're gonna do, you know what? Int text width equals width minus 4. Int text height equals height minus 4. And if this is correct, we just do text width here. Sorry, no, text width, not height. Text height. Text width. Text height. I don't know why I have to do it like that, but I'm gonna change the structure in a second. All right, so now we need to center this. So I mean, wait, do we just do? Hold on. How will this? How will? How would we do this? Legitimately, like, oh wait, no, wait, literally, okay, all we have to do is just do this, bro. It's that simple. We do 4, bro, because our padding is 4. That would mean our texture padding is also 4. Yeah, yeah, like our X. Yeah, that's correct, bro. Let's go. And this like padding thing also adds like a better abstraction because like we don't have to like manually like calculate the position and shit. Okay, that does not look right.
To select element.
+2 maybe? It's bro, why is it like that, bro? Why do we have to do me like this?
Title.
Right, so while that does its thing, um, I guess like now it's correct. It's definitely correct now, but um, I don't
Loading
know
Minecraft.
why this is like this, bro. I low-key
Title
don't know.
screen. Title screen. Shift menu.
Okay,
Use
yeah,
mouse
that's
cursor or
correct,
tab button to
but
select
what?
element.
Okay, why
Shift
is it
menu.
like that?
Use mouse cursor or tab button to select
So like,
element.
hold on. So buttoned up width divided by 2 plus 4. Okay, my question is, okay, so it's here. It's here. 8, I guess. I don't know.
Title screen.
Um,
Shift menu.
all right,
Use
yeah,
mouse.
let's do that. Now I want to change here texture width and height. How many of these are? Okay, in every function. I guess I will change these like to here because I just feel like that makes the most sense. Okay, that's good. We now have that. Oh shit. Oh yeah. Okay. Oh wait, no. Okay, wait. Let's go to all references real quick. Oh, okay, we need to go to modules here. There's always like we have to like somehow like I don't know why it does that sometimes. Ooh, okay, wait. Scaled width, scaled height, scaled width, scaled height. So I guess we just like remove these two here and it works, right? Yeah, okay. Nice. We're chilling. We're chilling. Okay. We're chilling right now. Bro, it's all good now. We literally have like okay, we're doing good with this. I'm I'm like a little worried about like how are we gonna add extra mods though? Cause oh shit, clickable texture. Oh, all right, that's easy enough. Oh no, please no. No, what? Okay, what is going on? Bro, it's how many times have I used that, bro? Like, all right, yeah, it's good now.
Loading Minecraft. Title screen. Title screen. Shift menu. Use mouse
Okay,
cursor
so
or
my
tab button
confusion
to
now
select
is like,
element.
what? Like, why is it not?
Title.
Is it like? I don't know, bro. I legit don't know. Um, guys, I think we might have a problem. Okay, center offset here we do bottom width divided by 2 plus 8. Okay, so In of its own, what's gonna be the dimensions? All right, so um, I guess like button dot height.
Loading Minecraft.
Also,
Title
after this, I'm
screen.
a dip, bro.
Title screen.
I have some
Shift
other
menu.
shit to do.
Use mouse
Okay,
cursor
that
or tab
works.
button to
Although
select element.
that gap, I don't think
Title
that's
screen.
a good gap, you know? So let's change that up a bit. Button dot height divided by 2. All right, so this should clear out because like, we're dividing the dimension as well, which is based off the height of the button. So, yeah, that's basically what the cause is.
Loading Minecraft. Title screen. Title screen. Shift menu. Use
Yeah.
mouse cursor or tab button to
Now we
select
just
element.
like do the gap that we want to fill. So like plus 3, maybe 3 pixel gap. I'm not sure if, it's gonna work, but probably will. Um, so I guess, yeah, that's it for now. We literally have like a cosmetic button now.
Loading
Oh yeah, and
Minecraft.
let's not forget we have to do an on
Title
click
screen.
event here.
Title screen. Use mouse cursor or tab button to select element. Shift menu. Use mouse cursor or tab button to select element.
Okay,
Title.
yeah, that works. Now I'm gonna do, okay, so let's go through all of these. So clickable texture. Here, we're gonna do a runnable on click. Just like so. And let's copy from button here. Okay. All right, so yeah, we're gonna do this on every single one of these. So over here's the click function. Yeah, that's pretty easy, not bad. All right, this is good. That is good. All right, so image texture, now texture button. Yeah, that needs this here. Um, on click, okay, what? On click runnable here. Uh, and see. Okay, I'm pretty satisfied with that. Should we test that? Let's see. Actually, wait, hold on. Render scope, that's good. Saturn screen, that's good as well. Pretty decent. Never mind what happened. Oh yeah. Okay, I forgot about the thousands. Image texture. Oh shit, I added this to image texture. That's not good. Okay. Texture button. Yeah, we need this one. So, all right. So now we do client.set screen here. A new what screen are we gonna set for this one? Cosmetics, I think it's called. Hold on, let me check. No, 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 it's bro, it's um no, what am I trying to do? Cloaks, I think. Yeah, cloaks menu. Which one? Oh yeah, menu. Okay, there we go. We are slowly getting there, you know?
Loading Minecraft. Title screen. Title screen. Shift menu. Cloaks menu.
Nice.
Cloaks
All
menu.
right, there we go.
Shift menu. Use mouse
Okay,
cursor or tab
I
button
think
to
that's a
select
pretty small
element.
gap. I'm
Title
not gonna
screen.
lie.
Shift
That
menu.
gap is way
Use
too
mouse
small.
cursor or tab button to select element.
Yeah, it's just
Title
way too
screen.
small.
Shift
Also,
menu. Use mouse cursor or tab
also,
button to select
what is wrong with
element.
the border, bro?
Title.
Let me do two actually. Hold on. Let me do two for the border thing. Run here. Saturn theme. Is it? Oh, please don't tell me. Wait, actually, it's not that bad, is it? Okay, wait, Saturn client. Oh, wait, I forgot. Okay, hold on. All right, texture button here. Um, all right, so this is the normal one, and this is the hovering one. Uh, okay, so border here, we're gonna set this to 2, 3 maybe, and we'll just replace all these here. This should work now. Let's set the gap here, maybe 4 pixels now. Okay, so
Loading
this should
Minecraft.
work.
Title screen. Title screen. Shift menu. Use
Yeah,
mouse
that,
cursor or tab button
okay.
to select element.
Um, yeah, the border algorithm is a little bit weird. I'm not gonna lie. I should have just gone with the image, bro. I low-key don't know why I did this. You can still customize the images, bro. I took it way too personally, low-key. But I guess we have to do two now.
Title screen. Title
So,
screen. Use mouse cursor or tab button
and
to
look how
select
easy it is,
element.
by the way.
Shift menu.
It's real
Title
time
screen.
as well.
Use mouse
Well,
cursor or
not
tab
really
button
real
to
time, but
select
every time
element.
you open up the
Shift
menu.
menu. Shift menu. Use mouse
Yeah,
cursor
I'm
or
gonna
tab
fix
button
the
to select
border
element.
issue as well, so don't worry about it for now. But like it still looks good, all right? You know, it's border shit. I don't know why it does that. Hold on, let's actually try this out real quick. Border corner radius here. Let's do 0 here. Just like so, and we also set this 0 here.
Title screen.
Yeah,
Shift
you
menu.
see?
Use mouse
Nice.
cursor or tab button to select
Yeah,
element.
so adjustable corner radius. What more can you ask for,
Mods.
really?
Title screen.
Um,
Shift menu. Title screen. Mods. Config
yeah,
editor.
there is the
Use mouse
realistic
cursor or
logo
tab
option.
button to select
And it
element.
works, by the
Title
way.
screen.
Oh, it doesn't
Shift
work here,
menu.
though.
Shift
Alright,
menu.
that's fine, that's
Title
fine. We can
screen.
fix that, y'all.
Config editor. Shift menu.
Um,
Mods.
yeah, I think that's gonna be it for now. I added quite a lot of stuff here for now, and we can like, okay, well, I'm just also gonna add like the thing here for what is that texture called, by the way? I think no, it's not border. Uh, it's like the frame thing. Hold on, let me see. Let me check real quick. Elements. No, it's in this widgets. Wait, is it here? No, it's not here. Saturn client menus. Um. Oh yeah, I forgot. I don't have that new anymore. Okay. I guess I have to look through the textures. So assets, Minecraft. No, Saturn clients, textures, GUI, components. Okay, HUD. Yeah, HUD. Okay. Textures.hud icon. There we go. HUD icon here. We're gonna do HUD editor, and it's as simple as that. Really, it's actually no, it's not as simple as that. So over here now, instead of offsetting to um this, we're gonna do negative here. And it should give us literally like the same effect, but like in the other side.
Loading Minecraft.
Alright, the moment of truth,
Title
guys. Let's
screen.
see.
Title screen.
Let's
Shift menu.
go,
HUD
and you can
editor.
obviously
Shift
adjust
menu.
your stuff
Title
there.
screen.
Alright,
Shift menu. Use
I don't
mouse
know why
cursor
it's a
or
little
tab
off
button to
center over
select
there, but
element.
I'm not gonna worry about it. As you can see, we literally have
Title screen.
everything we
Shift menu.
need here,
Use
and
mouse cursor or
this
tab
like
button to
around in
select element.
like you can round the corners right now if you want to without quitting. Let's do that. Let's do 5 actually. I'm feeling 5.
Title screen.
Yeah,
Shift
that's
menu.
clean.
Use mouse
That's
cursor
clean
or
right
tab
there.
button to select element.
All right. Yeah,
Cloaks
you have
menu.
your thing
Cloaks
now.
menu.
I
Shift
low-key
menu.
really like
Cloaks
this
menu.
still, bro. I
Use
don't know
mouse
why. I
cursor or
just
tab
feel like
button to
this
select element.
thing
Hats menu.
I worked very
Hats
hard for
menu.
this.
Shift menu.
I
Cloaks
am
menu.
I am still
Cloaks
thinking
menu.
I should
Use
keep like
mouse
some of the
cursor or
old
tab
UI
button
here.
to
I
select
like the
element.
UI style. I'll definitely keep like the actual UI style.
Title screen.
This is Java
Title
UI.
screen. Use mouse
Java.
cursor or tab
No,
button to select
it's
element.
my own thing. I literally wrote this, like, like oh, it's painful. So it's shit. So don't worry about it too much. But um, I'm basically like manipulating Minecraft's UI so it can look good, I guess.
Shift menu. Shift menu. Titles.
But yeah, it's not pleasing to work with, at least in my opinion. But all right, so I guess that's good for now. Is there probably any other menu we would like we would want to replicate in the new UI? Actually, I think there might be. Hold on, let me check. Actually, wait. Cloaks, config, hats, HUD, mod menu. No, for now, that's good. Like the current one is good. Do we add any other mods? Probably not. You know what? Add a mod rule. I'm gonna start a poll. Let's see how this goes. All right. I'm gonna get push for now. Hold on. Git commit. Wait, did we add anything new here? Yeah, there's a lot of new stuff. New UI elements. All right, well, I'm not noticing any things to the polls, so I guess we don't have anything, I guess. I don't know. Yeah, so we're probably not gonna add the module here. I don't think it's gonna be worth it. But just to give you guys an example, this is how the crosshair mod works. Basically, like this code simplified in one single sentence. You look at an enemy, um, the crosshair changes. Simple as that. Um, yeah. Okay, I think I did everything I in my to-do list for today, so yeah. I am gonna tomorrow I'm gonna add like a few more stuff, like a few more mods, and I'm gonna release this second stage of Saturn. I wish I could have done this on a Saturday, so it's like Saturn Day, but that's unfortunate, I guess. But like the actual real, the first like actual release is gonna be on a Saturday, so we can call it Saturn Day. It's a little cringe. I'm sorry about that, but like, I don't know, bro. It's just chill. All right, well, yeah, that's about it for now. I mean, there's not really much to it. I didn't do as much today as I planned to, but it did take off most of the stuff in my to-do list, so that's a plus. T Tomorrow, like I said, I'll do a few more things, and yeah. All right, that's it, guys. See ya.